You don't come my head. Wait, now my head did sound like that. Wait. So this one enter. When you in the secondary school, you be labor prefect before I go.
Face down. Don't talk. If you talk, your mouth will come out too. Are you still here?
I did with you. I thought I said be labor prefect before. So you sit like this all day?
Check my videos now. Yeah, because you know what? I don't want my spine to look like you.
So I'm punishment.
What is this one then? This one a disaster. So which one do you want? But it feels like punishment in the beginning. The more you work on it, the easier it becomes.
You know, say I don't been in the fear before, but I don't in the fear now.
You dey fear now? Good.
This thing where you do, this place where you climb now.
You never see me climb for video.
I don't see you climb, but
You never see me climb?
I don't see you climb, but I don't know say.
Nah, real be this one now. You think my just for video?
My heart a beat.
Yeah?
My heart a beat.
You know why your heart is a beat? You know why your heart is a beat?
Wait, why?
Because you're alive now. If your heart don't beat, that means you're dead.
But I don't be in the fear before I enter here. You say no. I don't be my heart not be in the beat before I enter here.
Relax, don't hold your head. Just
Wait.
allow your head to. He said, wait for who?
Wait.
Are you Christ?
Eh?
Only Christ are they wait for.
Where you want to go? If you tell me.
Lie, you will stiffen up.
You don't come my head. Wait, now my head did sound like that. You see? Yeah, just my neck again. You wish to ask.
Come to this one.
Hi. You don't say that first time and now see this thing first. And the only thing say,
Not fake.
not fake. Now you do.
Now look at the camera. Other people they see your own and they think it's fake. Don't mind your face here. Bring your nose back.
Wait, my chest is there for you.
What else go there? Your eyes? I don't understand.
No, you just say if I as if you crack this thing now, my chest don't go break.
If we break now, we'll just put them together. No be so.
Wait though.
And this weight. My favorite word now weight. Down some more.
Wait.
You do okay.
I don't do okay.
We move.
Wait, you still want to do another one?
Calm down. Maybe you behave like this. Why they form my hand?
I know this one enter.
Why you look me? There's one more.
When you been there secondary school, you be labor prefect before I go.
Listen, anything I had to do to get to this point is what I did.
You be labor prefect before I
I'm
go.
going to tell you.
You get when I did secondary school.
You remember me?
All the whole labor prefect day wicked.
And
Now why they ask you?
if you not talk this thing, you know I never finish. I never finished the adjustment. If you not talk this thing,
Where you can be like,
you do door, face down. You don't see.
you never still finish.
For real. You want me to stop?
No stop.
Look. Bring your hand where.
Like this.
Now relax.
Oh,
You can come up.
I said I'm just fucking. The second one. What's the?
Even the words don't want to come out. You say,
Oh, I don't know what to talk again. Hey, God. What?
sit here.
This place.
Forward.
Okay, for you.
Sit this way.
Okay, now this one, that one where they pay pass.
How you take me?
I dey see videos now. Now this one, I be finishing. So I'm Mortal Kombat.
So today is your turn.
I beg, just small.
Only
Only two songs by the pop on. Don't do two.
So there's another person.
Huh?
There's another person.
No, you're not gonna understand.
Now you be the favorite one.
No, na me suppose.
Are you the youngest though, have you?
This life, I'm the youngest.
No wonder.
I never enjoy life. Wait, oh. This is the film.
Yeah, it's okay.
Don't say nothing go.
I understand. Even if something go, they'll be here.
So, the assurance.
I'll be there with you.
Wait, oh. I better pull out with force.
Can't sit down.
Yeah?
Once
Don't pull out with force.
don't talk. If you talk, your mouth will come out too.
Oh, wait, make I read you.
I deal with you. Nothing do you.
Wait.
Don't touch her.
Wait.
Don't touch. If they form my hand for camera.
Nothing the song. I don't man up.
Don't talk. Inhale. And out. In. And out. Out. Are you still here?
I did with you. I thought I said you be level prefect before.
How you feel?
You're alright now.
You did alright now. So after all the shouting,
I don't do soft now, you understand.
you're soft now.
I'm soft.
Before you're hard,
I'm very.
you don't humble finish.
I don't.
So one of the benefits of adjustment is it will make
You don't go on make a crack. I they bring like say make
you don't remember what I told
I
you?
feel like you talk am.
See how you hold your neck and you have fear that I will break your neck. Will you do this?
No, that one na because na my hand dey there. So I just say
My one hand, not with my hand, na God's hand.
this one na magic hand.
Magic. I don't want magic. I want anointed.
Anointed and gifted.
Magic means I'm tricking you.
Abi.
Anointing means you know where the source is coming from. You get me? From my rest.
You go well. Wonderful.
It's real. Thank you for doing it.
Oh.
Jehovah, that won't enter.
Bro, this thing is real. I swear, this thing is real.